The last of the three modes is the maintenance mode, which is normally only used in maintenance by maintenance organization, but there are also certain functions that the pilot is allowed to do and should be doing. So let's go and explore the maintenance mode. To enter the maintenance mode, you for sure need two hands. Firstly, you have to push the up button, push the button in and switch on. Quite awkward. And now we've entered the maintenance mode. If you look in the maintenance mode, we have a few screens there: general, battery history, access, and pump. So to test pump is what the pilot will typically do. If you move the pages to the PF selection and you enter the pump and you switch it on, you can hear the pump running, the fan running, and make sure that there's sufficient coolant in the system. Push the button to switch it off again, and we can exit the mode. To exit this mode fully, the system is just completely switched off again. One question is, how does the propeller stay aligned when exiting, and when do we make sure that it is safe to be extended and doesn't cause damage to itself or to the doors? Okay, for this I'm just going to give a small quick exercise by just extending it a small bit, and we see what happens inside the bay. On manual mode, I extended the propeller now, and if you can look here, the propeller tries to align itself. If I move it out of position, it aligns itself to the left and to the right. If the propeller alignment in the bay is not set up exactly right, there's a good chance that it maybe get caught in the doors. For example, if the propeller is consistently pushed to the one side, there will be a consistent load on the propeller trying to rectify the action. And in the end, you can hear that it will smack into the doors trying to self-align it. Therefore, the alignment of the door is quite critical. And we're going to now look what the pilot could look at and ensure that the settings are correct to enable a safe extension of the propeller. The correct alignment of the propeller can easily be observed by aligning the rear trailing edge of the propeller with the battery. If you look from front, you will see those are very close in line. If the position is slightly to the right off like that, there's a good chance to make contact on this edge, and if it's too far to the other side, there's a good chance that it will make contact on this edge. So the natural position, which you could see, it will try to steer it towards the natural position, is always with the propeller parallel, the trailing edge parallel with the battery.